I'm going to do my unboxing of my Nintendo 64 that I just got. It's in the box. I'm going to just unbox it for you. You can watch. I'm going to open it. Alright. Let's open it up. Alright. I got GoldenEye 007. It's the only game I got with it. Got my controller. Awesome. Put that aside. Cords. And the system. Cool. Let's check this thing out. You can see on the front, Nintendo 64. Got 4 controller inputs. Reset, power, game slot for games. Let's take a tour around it. Nothing really right here. In the back, you got got a number right there for like stuff, I guess. Got that thing right there. And then the side is pretty much just nothing. Alright, it's got Nintendo right there. You can see that. Alright. Let's check out the game cartridge. So here it is, 007. You just pop it in there. And then you put the power on. And you just pull it out. Controller. Got some buttons. Let's see the 4 little arrow things there. A, B, start. This little D-pad. This thing, the little thing right here. 2 trigger, the little joystick. 2 triggers. Trigger. And then you can hold it like that. You can hold it like that. A lot of ways to hold it. And then there's a little trigger right there. Nintendo. There. And then nothing else, really, I guess. Alright. See you next time, guys.